Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing the element you want to recolor. Use document. Get element by ID text or document. Query selector. Class so you have a live reference. Once you have that reference, you can change style properties directly. This avoids modifying HTML markup. Make sure the script runs after the element exists. Place it at the end of body or wrap in DOM content loaded. This ensures document. Get element by ID returns the element and prevents null errors when you attempt to set color. Now you apply the color via the style object, element, style, color equals #FF0000 or element, style, color equals blue. You can store colors in variables for reuse or compute them dynamically, which is handy when responding to user input or themes. If targeting many elements, use document. Query selector all and iterate with for each to set the color on each node. This keeps code dry. Make sure inline styles have higher precedence than external CSS unless important is used. Finish by verifying the color change in the browser and adding UX touches like transitions if desired. Element. Style. Transition equals color 0, 3's ease. If the color doesn't apply, check CSS specificity or an important rule overriding your inline style. Inline usually wins, but inherited styles or SVG fill can differ. Make sure you targeted the correct element type. SVG text uses fill, not color. If problems persist, open DevTools, inspect the element, and confirm element. Style shows your color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.